um, actually currently I'm doing some project namin sa site assessment and um, kind of taking a lot of my time and right now I feel productive more than ever. Lalo na um, I restrained mga bad habits na ginagawa ko for the past few hours. I'm thinking good or as well hindi ka nawawalan ng energy. Right now I feel as a productive na actually naman ginagawa ko ito. Ito na naman sa late na naman na ginagawa yung isang activity or project na I could have done days ago, weeks ago. And now I don't think na makakatulog ako for the rest of the night. But one thing that I know is kailangan ko tapusin ito. And that gusto na talaga siyang ma-accomplish. By the way, I cut my hair and it took doesn't look good as it should be. But for the past things, I've tried to be more assertive sa ibang part na ng buhay. Yun na yun. Kaya ano. Parang, I don't know about for the past month, I'm not that showy. I do not show you how I really love sometimes. Parang wala that hindi ko parang naghilang kasi yun nga hindi ako sanay nakita motives and intention. It's easy to fall and actually don't know what to do. But this mga reply ko online sa ibigay or pagsasaw mo ng love and care sa isang tao, hindi ka matatalo. Hindi matatalo. Na the act of giving out, the act of giving love is the feeling is you've already won and you should be happy. I think you so. Okay. This precious thing I often say that is precious and significant. Whether it is reciprocated or not, it is very important. That's why these past couple days I learned to be more bold and be more true to myself. Walang tinatago na hindi nag-strategize. Although I'm still strategizing and I'm still overthinking things. But there's this thing or habit na I think it's really starting to do something if it doesn't it won't work. You just need to try and really dig deeper kung saan na function yung tao and whether they will be a fit to you, to me, to ourselves. talented because and yeah, I think I've grown more um decisive and more conscious for the past couple of days na all all things that I do, all things that I think is my own intention. And that is very important when people feel is confused by what I am trying to put out or what I am trying to give because it's not clear and it doesn't reflect the universe that's the way I act and what what I say, what I want to do. So it leaves people confused and especially sa kanya who who notice things, who understand things a lot deeper than I who know and have more experience that I very important. So I should have done this earlier last year or medyo young pa. Should have take my time to really understand myself and build experience and knowledge about this particular thing. And now I feel kind of lost, but not completely lost. I feel like I'm building something in it. Pero yeah, if I could have travel back time, out, agad kung physical na bibilan ko ng time and effort. But now, I think I'm good. Honestly, honestly, this is hampering fears na what if it won't work out? Ano inaasahan mo? Meron tayong na if hindi siya. Like, I can't accept that. Can't accept the reality. Pero, there's a side to me na, of course, natutunan ko na sa ibang tao na hindi siya. Hindi siya. And that's also part of it. Because I guess we'll see. The thing that I need to do now is to be honest with my feelings, be honest with me, with myself, be honest with her, and be honest towards the world. Yeah, I think that's what I want sometimes. And, you know, being open-minded sa mga tao, lalo na ngayon, kaya malapit na ako namin dito lang. It's Sunday actually, na madali na. And position namin na Monday. So, it's, I feel anxious and scared and nervous and excited at the same time. Yeah, it's a new experience for me na I can deeply tackle na my experience. Although I'm still worried about myself, but hey, life won't stop this moment. Life won't be my work for me. I need to do something. I need to face yun lang yung project na naman is kailangan tapusin. But yeah, other than that, I know that things will be okay. This will be a part of my growth and can be a source of experience and learning by